Good morning, students. This is part 3 video of our chapter number 5, acid, base and salt. We have seen neutralization. What is it? The reaction between acid and base is known as neutralization, and water and salt are released in this process. The homework was to read neutralization in everyday life. Hope you all have done the homework. And that the first one, it is indigestion. Our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. It helps us to digest food, as you have learned in chapter 2, right? But too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion. Sometimes indigestion is painful. To relieve it, we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide. It neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. हमारी स्टमक में हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड होता है जो फूड की डाइजेशन में हेल्प करता है. समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है कि एसिड की अमाउंट बढ़ गई, देन इट इज पेनफुल. देन व्हाट इज द रेमेडी फॉर इट? एसिड बढ़ गया है तो क्या करना है आपको? बेस डालना है कि वो न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएगा. So for this hydrochloric acid, which is the base which is useful, that is magnesium hydroxide, right? उसको आप लेंगे तो क्या होगा? जो excessive acid है वो neutralize हो जाएगा and you will get relief from this. Ant bite. When an ant bite, it injects the acidic liquid, that is formic acid, into the skin. This effect can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda or calamine solution which contains zinc carbonate. वो पिंक कलर का सॉल्यूशन आपको देते हैं जिसको स्किन इरिटेशन हो गई हो, स्मॉल पॉक्स, चिकन पॉक्स हो, राइट? दैट इज मेलामाइन सॉल्यूशन. यस, जिसके अंदर कैलामाइन होता है और जिंक कार्बोनेट होता है जो कि इंसेक्ट्स बाइट्स को न्यूट्रलाइज करता है. सॉइल ट्रीटमेंट. एक्सेसिव यूज ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स मेक्स द सॉइल एसिडिक. प्लांट्स डू नॉट ग्रो वेल व्हेन द सॉइल इज आइदर टू एसिडिक और टू बेसिक. ज्यादा केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर डाल दिया तो सॉइल है वो एसिडिक हो जाएगी. प्लांट्स है वो ज्यादा एसिडिक सॉइल या तो ज्यादा बेसिक ऐसी सॉइल में ग्रो नहीं करते अच्छे से. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with base. If the soil is too basic, it is treated with acids. Organic matter releases acids which neutralize the basic components. And the bases like quicklime or calcium hydroxide, they are put so that it neutralizes the effect of acids. अगर एसिड ज्यादा हो कहीं पे भी किसी भी चीज में, इफ देयर इज अ मोर एसिडिक इफेक्ट, यू कैन न्यूट्रलाइज इट विद द बेस, एंड इफ इट इज मोर बेसिक देन यू कैन न्यूट्रलाइज इट विद एसिड. फैक्ट्री वेस्ट. द वेस्ट ऑफ मेनी फैक्ट्रीज कंटेन एसिड्स. If they are allowed to flow into the water body, the acids will kill the water bodies, water organisms. So they are neutralized by basic and then they are released. फैक्ट्री में से जो वेस्ट होता है उसमें अगर ज़्यादा केमिकल है, if they are more acidic, then they are harmful for the water animals. So what do they do? उसमें पहले बेस मिला के उसको न्यूट्रलाइज कर देते हैं and then they are released. This was all about acid, base and salt. Now the exercise. State the difference between acid and bases. We have already done it. It turns the litmus paper, right? The taste also we can write. Second one, you can write examples also, right? So 3 points ready. Ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaners. It turns red litmus paper blue. So what is its nature? When it turns red litmus paper blue means it is basic. Yes, when it turns red litmus paper blue means it is basic. Next one, name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? We have seen it is obtained from lichens, the plant, and it is used as indicator to know whether the substance is acidic or basic. Fourth one, is the distilled water acidic, basic or neutral? It is a neutral substance. We can verify it using the litmus paper, right? Describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. लास्ट वीडियो में हमने देखा था बहुत अच्छे से एसिड बेस mix HCl and NaOH, sodium hydroxide. What will you get? You will get NaCl, that is sodium chloride, our common salt, and H2O, water. You can explain it. True or false? Nitric acid turn red litmus paper blue. False. Acid है तो वो blue को red करेगा. So false. Second, sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus paper red. False. It is a base. Third one. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and form salt and water. Yes. True. Indicator is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solutions. True. Tooth decay is caused by presence of base. No. False. It is caused due to acids. Seventh one. Durji has a few bottles of soft drinks in his restaurant, but unfortunately these were not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of customers. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic, and the third one wants the neutral drink. What will he do? He can check it with the help of litmus paper. If the blue will turn red, it is acidic. If red will turn blue, it is basic. And if there is no effect on both the litmus paper, then it is a neutral drink. Right? Explain why. First one, an antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. Antacid, abhi bola tha, indigestion. Agar acidity means there is too much of acid in the body, in the stomach. So to neutralize it, the basic tablet is given. Antacid, just acid से reverse effect देती है, which has a basic substance, so that it can release you from the pain. Second one, calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bites, because the ant bite will inject you the acid, so the effect should be neutralized with calamine solution, which contains zinc carbonate. Yes. Factory waste is neutralized before disposing into the water bodies. Abhi bola maine. If it is too acidic, it is harmful for the water organisms, so it is neutralized with base. 9. 3 liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, other is sodium hydroxide, and third is sugar solution. How will you identify them? You have only turmeric indicator. एक turmeric paper ही है. What is the quality of turmeric paper? It gives effect with turmeric paper. What will happen? It will give effect with base. Yes, it will turn red, but with acid it will not give any reaction. So how will you do it? First of all, stick them the label. Write 1, 2 and 3 on the 3 bottles. Now make 5 turmeric papers. We have seen how to make it. Now what will you do? Now add 2 drops of solution from each bottle on the 3 papers. The solution of the bottle which turns turmeric paper red is sodium hydroxide. So write on that bottle. Now take one of the bottle from the two unknown bottles. एक मिल गया सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जिसने पेपर को रेड किया. So one is classified. अब दो बॉटल बची. अब क्या करेंगे? Fill a half test tube from its solution and fill another half from other bottle. अभी टेस्ट ट्यूब में दोनों सॉल्यूशन ले लिए. Now put 10 drops of sodium hydroxide जो हमने ऑलरेडी आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया था. दोनों में 10 ड्रॉप्स निकालो. Then shake them properly. Now insert turmeric paper in each test tube. The test tube in which the turmeric paper turns red, it is sugar solution, and the remaining bottle is hydrochloric acid. जो बेस हमने निकाल लिया था उसको मिक्स किया दोनों के साथ, तो क्या होगा? जो एसिड था वो न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएगा और जो न्यूट्रल था ऑलरेडी वो बेसिक बन जाएगा या तो एसिडिक बन जाएगा. And it will again turn the litmus paper red, and thus you can identify the solutions. Next one, blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution, it remains blue. What is the nature of the solution? Blue litmus paper है वो blue ही रहा. Then which type of solution it is? It is either basic or neutral. दोनों हो सकता है, right? It can be either basic or neutral. 11. Consider the following statements and then give the answer of the given question. Both acids and base change color of all the indicators. If an indicator gives a color change with an acid, it will not give a change with a base. If an indicator changes color with a base, it does not change color with an acid. Change of color in an acid and a base depends on the type of the indicator. Which are the correct statements from this? Only the D1. It will depend on the type of the indicator, right? Because कोई indicator है वो दोनों में color change करता है, कोई सिर्फ एक में करता है. So it depends on the type of the indicator. So answer is only D1. Fourth option, only D. This is the exercise. Here we are completing our chapter number 5. You have to solve the exercise of your workbook at your own. Right? Thank you.